For many travelers, it can be hard to earn enough points or miles for a meaningful redemption. That's why it's very helpful that some programs allow you to pool your points or miles. JetBlue is one such program. But how does it work and when should you use it? JetBlue allows you to set up a family pool to collect points in a single account to use toward your next trip. You can contribute points initially and then continuously without any transfer fees. The minimum family pool is 2 people, but it can consist of up to 2 adults and 5 children. There's one head of household, which must be an adult. They're basically in charge and they can redeem all the pooled points. When you're invited to a family pool, you select how much you want to contribute up front and then the percentage you want to contribute going forward. It's a minimum of 10% of your points that you need to contribute. You can also change your percentage once per year. Note that you can't join multiple family pool accounts, but JetBlue is actually pretty liberal in what it defines as a family member. There's even an option for friend. So let's talk about the process for pooling. To start off, you want to make sure everyone in your family has their own JetBlue TrueBlue account. Then you'll log into your TrueBlue account and navigate to the family pooling section. Once you're there, click Get Started Now, then follow the prompts on screen to send invitations. Then each family member needs to accept your invitation, determine how much they'll contribute, as well as their ongoing contribution percentage. There are a couple of times it makes sense to pool your points. The first one is the most obvious, when you're short on points. If you don't have enough points to book an award, you can combine with friends and family members. Family pooling is also helpful with small balances. Many travelers simply don't travel enough to accrue a meaningful number of points, so being able to combine them can open up actual awards. Then there's elite status. If a friend or family member has JetBlue Mosaic status, they can pool points with you and book the flight through their account so you can enjoy their elite status benefits. So family pooling is a great way to effectively transfer points from one account to another without having to pay any fees. Click the link below for all the details.